Hey everybody, happy Tuesday. I am home right now with my son Reed, or excuse me, I'm with my son Jake. Jake, he got sick last night, so I'm taking him to the doctor today, and I'm staying home. So today, what you guys have to do with the sub. We're going to get started on this thing right here on Canvas called Circular Grading Conference. So if you go to Canvas, you'll see this Circular Grading Conference. If you click on that, you're going to see a description of what it is. So what we're going to do to get graded over the next few days so that I can put a grade in the grade book for your understanding from this unit. Each student is going to meet with me individually starting Wednesday. So we're going to have these things that I'm calling grading conferences where you and me sit down together one-on-one and you basically show me what you know about the circular motion targets. You're going to tell me where you should be rated on each target and convince me of your rating. So you're going to come into it already knowing, hey, I deserve a 4 on this, I deserve a 5 on this. And then you're going to convince me of why you deserve that number. You're going to choose any situation you want involving an object moving in a circle, except the wiffle ball and a string or hammer throw. So you can pick whatever it is. It can be one of the Worlds of Fun rides. It can be a car. We've talked a lot about cars, but pick some situation where there's an object going in a circle or around a curve. Once you have that situation, you're going to analyze that situation using our 3 targets. So we know we've got the 3 targets. You're going to do an analysis of that same situation with all 3 of those. There are papers up on the front of the room, one for each of the 3 targets. Go ahead and pick that paper up. It's got the target on the top of it, and then it's got a question prompt. Hang on just a second, baby. It's got a question prompt that if you answer that prompt, that should cover what you need to write for that target. You can write, you can draw pictures, whatever you think you need to do to prove to me that you know what's going on in that target. You can do those things. When we meet, you will explain your analysis, so you're not just going to hand it to me. You actually have to talk through it. And this is a big one. I get to ask questions. So if I get the feeling that maybe your paper looks an awful lot like the person next to you's paper, I get to sort of prod a little bit and see how well you actually understand stuff. So I want you to really truly get fully prepared for it. Use the answer key to guide you. So if you're like, man, I just don't know what to put in this thing, remember that we have this answer key right here. This is the same one that we've used twice now in class. Yeah, I know, Jake, I'm coming. If you download it, we'll put it on my desktop. Right here, can I do this? Minimize file. Okay, good, there it is. So this answer key that we've used in class, you can go through and you can use the exact same thing, and this is going to show you what'll earn you a 1, what'll earn you a 2, what'll earn you a 3, and 4, and a 5, and so on. So there's no trick to this. This isn't a test. You know what's. If we think of it as a test, you know what's on the test. You're just going to make what you need to make in order to prove to me that you understand these things. And if you don't understand, you're going to have time to ask me and talk to me. So let's get working on this. Pick up papers from the front of the class. Let's have a great day for the sub, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow.